All right, so after 8 minutes, they are all cooked. Simple, super simple. Hey, Steve from Steve's Home Cooking. So I'm gonna try a new series. Let's see if we can get some excitement on the channel. So I'm gonna take everything from a really basics to a little bit more advanced. Again, I'm not a trained chef. I'm strictly self-taught. I've learned all this stuff on my own, watching some videos and just doing some experiment. So let's take the basics. So many people complain they don't even know how to boil water. So to start it, put a pan and put your water. Now let it go. Again, you don't need to put salt in it. That doesn't help. It makes the water boil just a little bit faster, but it also leaves the water really salty. So for pasta, I never use any salt, just regular water and the pasta. So let's let this start boiling. So hold on for a sec. All right, after a few minutes, so what'll happen is the water will start steaming. So now it's getting just about to the boiling point. So probably another 3 or 4 minutes and it should be boiling. Okay, now let's see the water is boiling. It's got that pretty strong bubbles. Now you can put your pasta or things in there that you need to cook. So let's put the pasta in. All right, so once you put the pasta in, just stir it a little bit. The water will calm down some and it'll stop boiling, but it's still hot enough. Oops, steaming up the camera. It's still hot enough. So now you give it anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. And the other thing too is you can set a timer if you don't want to remember the time, and it will, that'll help you. All right, so after 8 minutes, they are all cooked. Something super simple. So that way you can eat something at home and not have to eat out. As I've always said, it's better to eat at home than it is to eat out.